Are your Sandboxie application failing because of the Sbiedll library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we begin the manual steps for Sbiedll library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Sbiedll library, the Sandboxie Injection library. It manages the localized memory address hooking required to isolate a process from the physical OS. It redirects localized write operations to a virtual localized sandbox folder, ensuring that the host file system remains untouched by the sandboxed application. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Sbiedll Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Sbiedll library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. If you're attempting to register Sbiedll Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Sbiedll library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Sbiedll library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.